If you want to see what a real AI workstation looks like, this is it. Codecs in the terminal, native Dropbox access, and multiple live agent tabs inside one connected operator environment. In this walkthrough, I turn one web terminal into a connected multi-agent codecs setup, step by step. We start by replacing the default Gemini provider with OpenAI Codex directly inside the terminal environment. That matters because this platform is not locked to one provider. The same operator workspace can be reconfigured for different AI engines depending on the task. Next comes authentication. Codecs gives us a device code flow inside the terminal, but before that works, the matching option has to be enabled in ChatGPT security settings. So the process is simple. Get the code in the terminal, open the security page, enable device code authorization for codecs, and only then complete the sign-in flow correctly. Once the terminal is linked, we upgrade the working profile. First, the model is switched to GPT 5.4 with xhigh reasoning. Then we allow full permissions for this training environment, and after that, we open the experimental menu to unlock the features that make the operator workflow much more capable. Now the terminal is configured, but it still needs real app access. So inside ChatGPT, we connect Dropbox through the native app's flow. This part matters because the app connection does not stay trapped inside the browser chat. It becomes part of the wider Codecs ecosystem that the terminal can use as well. Back in the terminal, the new app is visible under Skills, but instead of pretending everything works instantly, this is where a real limitation shows up. The environment hits a plan and model restriction, so we copy the error, ask ChatGPT what it means, and confirm the root cause. Then the account is upgraded properly. And one more realistic detail, right after payment, you still need to give the system a little time to activate and refresh before expecting every skill to work. While that update settles in, we put a test file into Dropbox. Then we go back to the terminal, open the connected Dropbox app, and let Codecs query the account directly. Now the proof is clean. The terminal sees the connected profile, lists the recent file, and returns a working preview path from the native app integration. And this is where the setup becomes much more powerful than a single chat window. We create another terminal tab, give it a separate working directory, assign codecs again, and bring a second workspace online. That means one operator can run parallel agent contexts, split work across devices, or even dedicate separate tabs to teammates and projects. From here, these agent workspaces can drive real automation layers, node-RED flows, Telegram bots, data pipelines, API integrations, and content systems. That is the real value of this platform. Not just one AI chat, but a connected operator environment with native apps, stronger reasoning, and a clear path toward a scalable internal AI workforce. Learn more at cell.systems.